Hi everyone. Today we are going to see one algorithm based question in which they have given an array of numbers and we want to find out if any three numbers in the array sums to 0. This can be any value in general. This can be some random target also. So we want to find out three numbers in the array which sums to 0. And here there is one more condition such that I, j and k must be unique. They should not be equal to each other. That means we cannot reuse any elements in the array to get that zero sum. So let us go through this first example, what the question means. Here they have given this array which consists of -1, 0, 1, 2, -1 and -4. We need to find out what are all the elements which sums up to 0. So that sum of the elements should be 0. We need to pick only three elements from the given array such that sum will be equal to 0. If you consider this example, -1, 2. Here is -1 and here is -1 and here it is 2. If you can sum these three numbers, the sum is 0. Similarly, we can go for this thing -1, 0 and 1, and this will also sum to 0 and all three numbers are present in the array with a unique index. So how to approach this problem? Like easy way is we write a three nested for loops where we will start I from 0 to len -1 and we will start inside that we start another for loop and inside that we another for loop. Total three for loop we can write. But the optimized way to solve this question is first we need to sort the array. So once we sort the array, then we can do some optimization based on the target value. Here target is 0 because once we sort the input numbers, whatever they have given, we will sort the array and then we will start from the start for I in range of and from for each I we will find once this array is sorted we can follow this two pointer approach where we will keep the left as I plus let's call it j only j as I plus 1 and we will start k from the end of the array. So here we need to make sure j is less than k because we should not go beyond that range. We will start from I plus 1 and then we will check if at any point if nums of I plus nums of j and nums of k is 0. If it is 0, then we need to push that to a push that to our answer. Let us initialize one variable named answer. Let it be a set because it should not contain any duplicates. So we are considering the answer. If it is 0, we will add it to answer. So we can add as a tuple and then we can convert it. Because if we give the list, it won't be hashable. So nums of I, nums of j, and then we'll also add nums of k. So this becomes a tuple. Otherwise, what is the scenario? Let's see what is possible. Nums of I plus nums of j and nums of k. It can be less than 0. We are considering 0 because in the problem we are taking the target as 0. Otherwise, we can replace this 0 with any target number. If it is less than 0, we know that we have already sorted the array. So if it is less than 0, then we can increment j so that for the next iteration it will become Otherwise, we can decrement the k, because to the left side the value decreases. We will try to decrease the. So here in this case we should do both. And once we finish this for loop, we can return the answer. Let us run this program and let's see if we have done anything wrong. It is passing and we'll submit this answer.